Are you starting an import business? If yes, you have to pay attention to this video because you don't want to make these mistakes that I'm about to reveal now. If you do, they're going to cost you big time. Mistake number one is not verifying the supplier. That you've made them online and they look legit doesn't mean they're legit. You have to go extra mile, take another step to make sure you verify the supplier that you're chatting with. This is very important, or else you're gonna pay big time. So how do you verify the supplier? Ask for samples, ask for references, ask for certificates. Every of this goes a long way to make sure they are verified. You need to make sure you're chatting with a verified supplier. Now, tip number two is ignoring the import rules. There are rules when it comes to importation, especially if you are shipping the whole thing yourself. You have to look for a shipping company that will help you out. Now, why is this so important? Because each product you want to import, they have their own compliance rules guiding the product. Like if you are importing clothing, the rules guiding importation of clothing is different from the rules guiding toilet rolls, sanitary pads, baby wipes, and things like that. So try and find out what rule is relating to the kind of products that you want to import. Get the services of a shipping company that will help you out when it comes to all of the shipping aspects of your importation business. Now, the third mistake is underestimating the shipping cost. Many people do not take this on board. They tend to underestimate the shipping cost. And at the end of the day, when they get their product, they find out that they will be at a big loss. You don't want to do business that you'll be at a loss. So do not underestimate the cost of your shipping. Some people think like when it comes to importation, it's all about the freight. No, that's not all that is there when it comes to importation. There is duties, import taxes, and the fees, even the storage of your goods. All of this, you have to take them on board. Otherwise, it's going to cost you a lot of money and you'll be at a loss. My suggestion is try and get the full landed cost before you do the importation. From the cost of the product to the clearing to the storage to everything. You have to take everything on board so that you will know how much it is the cost. And avoid all these three mistakes that I have said here and you'll be fine. Now, I said, if you do not know how to handle all of this yourself, just get in touch with me, DM me, and I will take it up there with you. If there's anyone that you can think of that I haven't included, hit it up in the comment section. And yeah, so I hope this helps. You're welcome.